Can you believe that bird? What are you doing over here? You're supposed to be on your cage. Why are you here? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? That's my soup. Did I say you could eat my soup? I could add water to that. The kettle just boiled. You're not even supposed to be on here. You know that's wrong. Hmm? You got a lot of nerve, Jax. No. No. He's trying to eat the nectarine. What are you doing? No. Bad bird. Go back to your cage. Go back to your cage. What? No, don't do that. Are you psycho? Put that Nerf gun away. That's totally... No, that's totally mean. You don't shoot my bird with a Nerf gun. See what he's doing? He's shooting Nerfs at you. He's gonna... Go back to your cage. You crazy little bird. And stay put.